Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to buy USDT on Kraken. And a lot of people are looking how to buy USDT, but there are two things that I need to tell you. The first thing, how you can buy USDT, is quite simple. Go to search for assets, search for USDT, and then right here there will be pop up the USDT, also called the lettering. But right now, if you can see, in my country, it's not possible. So if I show you this, because Kraken has some countries who are not allowed or possible to buy USDT, and my country, the Netherlands, is standing in that list. So please check out this list. And if you live in one of these countries, you are not possible to buy USDT by holding your Kraken app in the country that is standing right here. So change that with a VPN or do something else, then you can buy it. But when you live in a country like this, it's not possible with using that VPN in that country. So if you are not living in a country like this, you can buy USDT by just doing this. So this is the way. Hopefully this was the video I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.